I'm a unicorn. People say I don't exist. I'm somebody who made good money in network marketing and continue to make good money long after I went into semi-retirement. So for most people, they don't believe I exist. But here I am. And why should you listen to me? Because I will not sugarcoat or exaggerate what it takes to do what I did, or promise you something that can't be done. I'm here to make 2022 the year that women who want to put in the effort and time into their business make six figures and more. Hi, I'm Lorna Rasmussen. This channel is devoted to helping you build a profitable business so you can live the life of your dreams, whatever dream that may be. For me, it's living here in Costa Rica. Before I go on, though, I want to remind you how much we appreciate you subscribing to the channel. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. No one makes six figures without work. The trick is to make it happen in a profession where you earn money once and then are paid over and over because of residual and leveraged income. And we're going to talk more about this next week. But first, let's talk about the work, because I put it into three categories: consistent and effective work on your business. Number two, consistent and effective work in your business. And number three, and this is the most important, consistent and effective work on yourself. I'll be addressing aspects of these three categories for months to come. But in the meantime, I want to explain to you what I mean. Working on your business, particularly if you haven't had a traditional business, you know how important it is. It's extremely important and very demanding. But one of the benefits of the network marketing and direct sales business model is that the business has already been created for you. Its infrastructure is in place. So it's like buying a franchise. The product development all the way to the marketing has already been created for you. And this means you don't have to put a lot of work working on your business, except to stay on top of it and be a continuous learner as the business evolves and new products are introduced. Working in your business is where you're going to spend the bulk of your time. And this is largely about selling your products or services, recruiting new team members, working with existing teams if you have them. And these require very different skill sets if you haven't already learned that. So if you are new to the profession, please, you need some patience as you learn and perfect these skills. If you have a good support within your organization or your company, they'll likely give you a process that you can follow to make it easier. In general, what we are doing is we teach people to do the thing, for instance, sell. And then we teach your team to sell. And then finally, we teach your team to teach their team to sell. And when you've successfully done that, the most amazing process kicks in. It's called duplication. And this is where the business becomes both fun and productive. And in some senses, it almost goes on autopilot. In the beginning, this is where you'll put the bulk of your time. Finally, the third type of work is working on yourself. And as I said, it's the most important work that you'll do. Success in the other two areas is actually dependent on success in this area. In general, we're talking about personal development, which does involve learning new skills and ways of thinking, but it's so much more. Wikipedia defines personal development as activities that develop a person's capabilities and potential and enhance their quality of life and the realization of their dreams and aspirations. So it's very important, and it's a critical part of success in any business, but particularly in direct sales and network marketing. One of the reasons I experienced success in network marketing is that I had spent years in personal development. I had a lot of work to do. The most important was the development of my self-esteem, which impacted my confidence, which impacted everything in my life. Working with programs of self-development, I came to understand and appreciate my capabilities, and my gifts that I brought to the world. And as I developed that sense of myself, I found that everything else around me changed for the better. So I hope you can see that by working on your business, working in your business and working on yourself, you will experience not only an improvement in your business, but in your entire life, in your relationships, how you feel about yourself, everything. It is this growth that will put you in a position to earn whatever amount you would like to earn from your business. I'm working with a small group of women right now in direct sales who are committed to earning six figures in their business. Currently, I have just 5 spots available in my pilot program. So if you're interested, please click the link below and sign up for a Discover More call with me. We will explore where you are, where you want to be, and see if this pilot program might be the vehicle to support you in getting there. This is a no obligation call and it's free. So just book a time and let's talk. There couldn't be a better time, the beginning of 2022. And if you desire, it can be the year that changes your life and allows you to live your dreams. Happy New Year.